Hello, I'm Kevin Barry. Okay, I'm a QuickBooks Platinum Advisor and I install QuickBooks into small family-run or owner-occupied businesses all over Ireland for the last 20 years. Okay, so all I'd ask you is maybe to consider the following: is by not having proper bookkeeping, how much do you think you might overpay in VAT, income tax and accountancy fees, all because you're losing receipts? This is very common, I see it all the time. What occurs is, if you don't have your purchase invoice, you can't claim the VAT back on it. It inflates what your profit was because you don't have a bill to prove where your money really went, and then you overpay your income tax on top of that. Okay, and then if you've got an accountant chasing around looking for this stuff off you, there's time lost doing that. So, colossal problem. But I have a step-by-step system that gets rid of this problem, and it helps you make money besides chase around after the paperwork. So I just ask you this: would you prefer to concentrate on making money or enjoying time off doing what you enjoy? Golfing, fishing, playing with the kids, eating out. But no matter what you do, there just doesn't seem to be enough time in the day to get round to these things. And you have a list of items that the accountant or bookkeeper is looking from you for. And every year it's the same thing. But with the latest technology, and with QuickBooks and a couple of other programs that I include with that, okay, I can get rid of this problem for good. Now, you have to do something. You have to kind of get into a little good habit here, but the habit really is just photographing your bills or emailing them somewhere. Okay, you don't need to change your accountant. You can if you want, but it's not necessary. But I'll give you an example now. The best story I've ever encountered so far, and they're coming up all the time, is the 63-year-old electrician, like a fellow who was looking at retirement, and he was always keeping his receipts in Excel and trying to get copies of stuff that he'd mislay or leave in the front of the car, or it would blow out of the van, or it was in a jacket pocket. Okay, so he wasn't collecting half the receipts that he thought he was. And when he had a QuickBooks Online programmed and he realised how much he'd been overpaying on the taxes, he said when he was growing up, life was so hard that anything that he could do to make life easier, he was for it. So that's a guy at 63. So even, it doesn't matter what age you start this at, it will pay off. It's not expensive anyway. I'm an accountant and practice myself. Our website is barryaccountants.ie, and if you go onto that, you'll find under services QuickBooks. You can contact us there. We specialise in the accounting program. Give you an example: to install it costs $300 a month for 4 months. Okay, if you don't like it, after the first month, we'll just stop it right there and give you your money back and walk away. And it's €35 a month after the 4 months are up. So 300 plus VAT over the first 4 months, and then €35 a month thereafter. There'll be no increases for a minimum of 2 years, and if there is, it'll be modest if any. If you want to give me a call, 1-800-476-984, come straight to my phone here at the desk and to my mobile. And if there's anything else you want to discuss, you can email me at kevin@kevinbarry.ie. That's it. Enjoy the rest of your day.